Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I would like to register for the English course.
Okay, so we need to fill a form. I will ask you some questions. What is your name?
My name is Yunus Emre.
And your surname?
Hasoğlu.
Okay. Can you spell your surname, please?
Hasoğlu.
Okay. Hasoglu.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Where are you from?
I am from Balıkesir.
Okay. And how old are you?
I am 19 years old.
19. Are you married?
No, I am single.
Okay. Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student at Anadolu University.
Anadolu University. What do you study?
I study business.
Okay. You study business. Where do you live?
I live in Eskişehir and my siblings.
What is your email address, please?
My email address yunusemrehasoğlu 16
16?
at
Gmail?
gmail.com.
Okay. Gmail.com. Okay, thank you. What is your telephone number?
0553 1 2 3 1 2 5 3.
Okay. 0553 1231 253. Okay. So, would you like to join the classes during the week or at the weekend?
What time do the lessons start?
We have 2 classes on weekdays. One of them is in the afternoon at 2:30 on Mondays and Wednesdays. The other one is on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We start at 10 in the morning, but we have no classes on Fridays.
Do you have classes at the weekend?
Yes, we have weekend class. Our courses begin at 11 on Saturdays and Sundays.
Great.
When would you like to join the lessons?
I would like to register for the class on Monday and Wednesday.
Okay, Monday and Wednesday. So you can take your first lesson next week.
How much is the course for 1 month?
For 1 month you pay 200 euros, but the weekend courses are a little bit more expensive. It is 250 euros.
Okay, thank you very much. See you next.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Yeah.